Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video we're going to talk about adding and removing packages from the Microsoft Store, also known as AppX packages. You know the drill. Your users think you don't know about these games. They're Soda Crush, they're Candy Crush, they're Friends Crush. Yeah, don't worry, users. We know all about this stuff. Problem is, they shouldn't have this stuff, and you also probably shouldn't have stuff that is dumb, pre-installed, and they don't use. But there are apps that you do want to install, and we're going to conquer all this using PolicyPak Software Manager and our AppX function. So what are we going to do? For all of our eSales users, we can say manage our Windows Store and AppX. Okay, so we can right-click, click Edit here, and then we'll dive down under User Side, under PolicyPak. We're going to find the Apps and Patch Management, then Software Package Manager. PolicyPak has a lot of features, but this is just for Software Package Manager. We're going to go to click Add New Windows Store AppX Policy. So the first thing, let's go ahead and do this one by one. Let's crush Candy Crush Soda. How do we do that? Well, let's go to Remove here, and let's say when the name matches wildcard star soda star. Okay, let's go ahead and click OK. And then we'll go, and let's just see that this works. We'll go over here and run GP update, and let's watch it in real time. So here are 3 apps, and we said let's just find soda and crush soda. Boom! Soda's crushed. But you know what? I want to say goodbye to all these things. I want to say goodbye to everything from this manufacturer. What am I going to do? Well, we're going to use a little utility that we have that is called the PolicyPak Helper utility here. So I'll go to File Explorer, and I will go to my extras, and let's find our PolicyPak Helper utility here. So I'm going to go ahead and run the PolicyPak Software Package Manager Helper. I'm going to find all the stuff that's on this box. Now I'm going to make a note of it. So I'm going to take all the things that are on this box here. Look at all this stuff. You can see all the AppX packages. Let me go ahead and check all, and you can see I've got all the other Candy Crush. And look, they're the publishers, my evil publishers. Now I'm going to save this over there on my management station, which is WhackWhack DC 2016 share. Call it kill UWP number 2, because I already did this once before today. All right, and let's go ahead and finish that up. So what we'll do is we'll go over to back to our management station. Right-click, add new Windows Store AppX policy. And this time we want to kill everything by King, which is the name of that manufacturer. We'll go over to Remove Package, and we're going to import that file, so kill UWP. And let's go ahead and find, there it is, there's our publisher, Candy Crush, and all of their friends and everything. Let's just say nuke everything by the publisher. Let's just go ahead and remove everything by that publisher, which is that string right there. Go ahead and click OK. Let's just go ahead and see that that works. Go back over here and run GP update. We'll watch it happen in real time. Secret games IT doesn't know about, and poof, gone. Excellent. So now that we've got that, we can also remove the dumb applications that we don't use. Let's go ahead and pick one more, like Duolingo. Like this is one that was installed by default as part of Windows. Maybe you don't want that, so let's go ahead and remove that package. We'll go ahead and import again that list that we had earlier. So here is Duolingo. We'll click on that guy. We can match it by name. We can match it by publisher. We could do by either or both. Doesn't really matter. Or you can even just, even if you don't know, you just do this. Star Duolingo. That works too. So you don't even have to import if you don't want to. Let's just go ahead and nuke Duolingo. And we'll run GP update here. And look how fast that does its thing. Bang. Gone. Awesome. All right, so now let's go ahead and do the install. How do you do installs? Well, you need to know the names of what you want in the store. So for instance, if I wanted to install Slack, okay, as an application here, what we'll do is we'll go over to Slack, but not install it. No. What we'll do is we'll go to Share, and we will find the link. Okay, now that we have the link here, we're ready to go back to PolicyPak land, add a new Windows Store AppX policy. Let's say install Slack. And we'll go ahead and install the package here. It takes a second. We're going to validate that this thing is still true. So give it a second to catch up. Go ahead and click OK. And let's do one more. Let's do Power BI. So let's go back to the store. We'll get Power BI. Power BI desktop app. Okay, we don't want to install it. What do we want to do? We just want to share it, get the copy, the link. Okay, and let's go ahead and install our other important apps. So install Power BI. Put the link in there and click OK. And that's it. We're killing a bunch of stuff and adding a bunch of stuff. Let's go ahead and see it all work in real time. So we'll run GP update and watch the magic trick here. Here comes Slack. And here comes Power BI Desktop. So just like that, you're off to the races. And that's it. So check out our other videos if you like PolicyPak Package Manager and everything we have to offer. Thanks very much for watching, and talk to you soon.